So today I'm going to be doing my Afro-G protein treatment. It's the two-step protein treatment where it comes with the protein treatment that hardens once you sit under the dryer, and then the balancing moisturizer that you use after you rinse it out. So supposedly they have like a third step that's optional, and it's a keratin green tea restructurizer. And this is literally to kick off my me doing my hair right. Like, I'm gonna do a proper hair care regimen and take care of my hair and grow it out to be long and beautiful again. So if you don't know anything about the Afro-G two-step protein treatment, it's supposed to help stop breakage by just plugging in damaged areas of your hair. So like, let's say if you look at the hair follicle, the hair shaft very closely, you'll see like little pieces of chunks missing, if you will, if you look at it under a microscope. And so what the protein treatment does, it'll plug those little areas to strengthen the shaft. And so you work this through your hair, but you're not supposed to manipulate your hair as it hardens. And see, look at those curls popping now. See how the curls weren't popping? Just wasn't doing right by my hair, y'all. We're gonna change all that today. I'm going to use the hand dryer with a diffuser attachment as opposed to sitting under the dryer. Even though it causes me more work having to work around and blow dry and all that, I feel like it saves me a little time. I can't stand sitting under the dryer, y'all. So this is it. So I'm all done. My hair is really hard. Okay, so this is how this works. You do not comb or brush your hair while this is in. So I'm gonna go and rinse. And then once I rinse it, I'm going to apply my balancing moisturizer. I'm supposed to leave it in for 2 minutes. And it softens the hair up after applying this. So once you rinse it out, you'll feel your hair is feeling a little tough or whatever, but this will make it back soft again and, add that soft suppleness that we all know and love. So I'll be right back after this is applied. All right, so I just rinsed the protein treatment out of my hair and applied the balancing moisturizer. Look at those curls just popping out. Lots of definition. See, my hair was telling me like, girl, you ain't doing what you're supposed to be doing. So I'm just really looking forward to this journey and sharing it with you all and just taking better care of my hair overall. I really want to see some significant progress. And in order to do that, I just have to be consistent with, doing what I'm supposed to do, moisturizing my hair, deep conditioning, etc., etc. The balancing moisturizer is supposed to stay in for 2 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse that out, and then I'm going to add this keratin restructurizer. And this says to apply liberally. I don't know what that means because I can be pretty heavy-handed. So I'm just gonna give it a couple spritzes and leave it at that. I'm gonna do the Eden Body Works Hydration Custard. I'm gonna add that just a little bit because I think this is one of the products that my scalp doesn't like. So I try to not get it on my scalp, but my hair absolutely loves it. So my scalp is just gonna have to deal with it for now until I find some new products. Alright, y'all, so that's it for today. I just decided to do some quick flat twists. They're not even like super neat because I'm going to have them under a wig. And I don't like to really flat twist my hair before I straighten it, but I vowed to do no heat and I don't have time to like stretch it and then flat twist it. So I went on ahead and finger combed it, flat twisted it, and so I have like 5 little flat twists on the top. And so I'm going to be doing my wig review next. I'll see you guys soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.